everyone, welcome to MarineMax in Rogers. I'm Jacob DeBoer, and today I'm going to be showing you the 2023 Sea Ray 280 SLX. It's a beautiful boat we got here available at our Rogers store. Let's take you through it. So right away, I'm going to show you up in the bow area here. We got the windlass anchor, stainless steel. It's really nice for parking outside, whether it be on the beach or anything similar. Just let that go down, gives you a chance to enjoy the hot days. Coming back a little bit farther, you'll see the hull side colors. We got a black with a white mixed in there. We actually have a whole stripe on there with the white as well. It's really sporty feel, really nice look on the water. And you got your Sea Ray logo there as well. Just makes it that much nicer. Moving farther back, we actually have clips for your fenders here. So you got this easy clip in here, just slide it right in rather than having to tie it. Makes it even easier when you're going to the docks or if you're docking back home, whatever it may be. Come back to the swim platform. Really spacious swim platform here, and you can actually see the Fusion audio speakers on this as well. So you got audio throughout the boat, even pushing out towards the back, towards the exterior. Really cool. And you got this submersible swim platform as well coming down. So if you got anyone swimming out back, makes it even nicer for anyone swimming back here to get back into the boat, or you could just lounge out on that as well. Let's hop up on the inside and take a look at the features on the interior. All right, welcome to the interior of this 280 SLX. Right away, I'm going to show you the seating in the back here. You got this nice lounging area where you can lay flat, or you can lift the seats up like so. There are a few different adjustable seating options on this side and that one as well. And they come back down just as easy. Cup holders on each side here. You got plenty of cup holders throughout this boat. So it's a really nice thing that Sea Ray does, knowing that their customers love having cup holders. Come a little bit farther. See sea decking all throughout the flooring of this boat. And a nice little feature too is you got this step on here. It makes it that much easier to get onto docks and off of docks when getting in and out of your boat. Comes in handy when you don't even realize. Even farther in, you see the seating options here. Really good stitching on this gray upholstery here. Got extra stitching along here from Sea Ray. Really breathable and comfortable seating. And looking above us now, this is where the tower is going to be. You see the frame right now. The rest of the tower will be put on soon. And on the tower, you do see the Fusion audio included on there as well. So you see these speakers throughout the boat. Like I mentioned before, Fusion audio is a really good audio quality system. So you're going to feel it in the back of the boat, the bow of the boat, the helm, everywhere. You're going to feel it throughout. It's going to be great. Look below the seats. You're going to see a spot for your cooler, which does pull out. It can be this igloo cooler that's included or any cooler that you have that fits. And you actually have a little pull-out fridge down here as well. So pull that out, put ice in there, drinks, whatever you would like. Slides back in. You got in-floor storage and storage in the seating as well. If you look below there, you come down here, you'll actually see the subwoofer, like I mentioned, for the audio. So it even enhances that quality any further for anyone who really likes a bass boost on the boat. And now we got the helm seating on each side. Let's take you on to the port side seating. So this has adjustable seating on both sides, so you can actually put this down and sit here comfortably or put it back up if you want to see a lot with the captain. If you look even farther in here, you see the head unit. So obviously this can be a nice dash display where you can store some things in here like your wallet, phone, whatever. And you can open this guy up. You got a well-appointed head with a sink in there. You got lights that do turn on, flushable head as well. Goes up like so. I'm taking to the helm on the left side here. So you have couple spots here where you can sit. It fits up to 2 people, or you can just fit yourself like so. You can rise up like this, or you can adjust the seat down. It's a little bit lower, however you prefer. Dual SIMRAD displays on this, so it makes you a lot of options here for your engine diagnostics, or you need to see your nav, whatever it may be. You have a lot of different ways you can arrange it on the screens. A little bit farther down, you got the Fusion audio head unit, so you can adjust that audio, adjust that bass like I talked about, customize it however experience that you want on the water. Nice finished steering wheel with good grip, and you got the digital throttle and shift, so it makes it really smooth on the water. Just barely takes any effort to move that across. You feel a lot of power on there on the water. All right, so coming up with me to the bow, you're going to see this windshield here that does fold over, so you can block off that wind with the dam as well. Pulls that off, and then boom, you're shielded from all the winds in the cold days, cold mornings, whatever it may be when you are out on the boat. Goes back up just as easy. All right, coming farther into the bow. See a lot of seating here. It's really deep bow too, so you get a lot of space for anyone who might be up here. A couple armrests that do come down on each side. Makes it that much more comfortable if you got two people laying out facing forward. And you got storage under all these seats as well, so it gives you even more options for throwing whatever things you got for the trip on the water. All right, guys, so that was the 2023 Sea Ray 280 SLX. Thanks for coming with me on this walkthrough. This boat is available at a Rogers store. Give us a call, make an appointment. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.